Hello everyone, my name is Mike Frain. I've been highlighting 10 solid reasons for carrying out arc flash calculations, taken from chapter 15 of my book, The European Arc Flash Guide. Today I'll highlight another reason, which is that arc flash studies can improve electrical safety management. My strongly held belief is that by carrying out arc flash calculations, it will inevitably force a fresh view of many of the components of a good electrical safety management programme. In order to carry out the calculations effectively, you'll need to look at the equipment to be worked on or near, which usually means control panels and switchgear in industrial settings. Purely on the basis of discovering system parameters, you'll need to know what the fault levels are, what is the strength and capability of the equipment, and upstream device protection as well. The big question that will crop up is, are you confident that the protective systems will operate in accordance with the design parameters? The likelihood of the hazard causing harm will be influenced by the conditions of the electrical system or equipment, and also the task to be performed. Set this against the guidance in my book about prevention, and it will become apparent that there is often a need to take immediate action to prevent unacceptable risk. Arc flash studies will also force you to look closely at equipment like process control panels. Neglect is often a barometer of whether electrical safety policies are working or not. What I mean by this is that when electrical control panels show neglectful practices such as missing insulation, isolator control rods, trunking lids, dilapidation through water ingress and temporary lash-ups, this will give an insight into the effectiveness of an electrical safety policy. All this will need to be fed back into policy and procedures in the form of a review, which is what we should be doing on a regular basis. From that review, amendments to safety rules and training of staff will follow. Thank you once again, and please look out for any future short videos on the reasons for arc flash calculations.